Alright, hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to be installing NRG short base hub, NRG quick release, and the Sparco R345 345 steering wheel wrapped in suede, as well as a wheel hook, steering wheel hook that I'll put on my roll bars. So let's go ahead, let's get it done. So the first step is you want to disconnect your battery, take off your old wheel. Once you have that done, everything's unplugged, take your NRG hub. You're going to want the dimple up, facing up. Underneath here you'll see these two. These go on your clock spring little clip deals. So go ahead. You're going to tuck, also there's a little hole at the top of the hub. You're going to tuck the airbag pins through, like so. Then take your 17 mil nut that's on the car, tighten that down. Alright, once that's tight, you're going to go ahead and get your quick release and your wheel, and you're going to line them all up to the bolts and start going. So next step, you take your quick release, go ahead, pop it off, and you're going to want to line up the NRG logo on the top, and you're going to thread in your 6 Allen key bolts. You get the point. So I'm going to stop here, and when they're all done, we'll get back. So you take your hub, your quick release NRG on top, pop it in. There you go. Wheels in. I have to go get new screws because they don't supply any, but you basically take it off just like that, put it back on. Easy as that. So see you guys when we get some screws for the wheel. Back from the shop, I realized my mic was not recording, so I did not film any of that. But currently, yeah, Sparco wheels on, screwed in, fits just like that. Driving position, a little more T-Rex arms, can't reach very well, really have to extend the fingers. But overall, that's how you install a wheel. Really happy with it. I was going to install this to flex on them haters, but it doesn't fit around my roll cage. So I'll probably use the GoPro, but for now what I think I'm going to do, just because I got to go short on time, just so it looks cool right now, you know, because you got to look cool, right? Just do this. It works, you know. Car's a filthy mess, but if you guys enjoy this install video, let me know. There's plenty of them out here, but you guys voted, you wanted to see this. So that's how you install an NRG hub, quick release, and Sparco steering wheel. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take it easy. Is this girlfriend approved?
Yeah, minus the yellow. It's really high.
Yeah.